What's going on, everybody? I hope everybody had a great day today. Look, today I'm frying some fish for dinner. I absolutely love some fried fish. Oh my gosh. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need some garlic powder, seasoning oil, and some black pepper. That's all you need, man. That's all you need for this dish. You don't need a whole bunch of seasoning and lemon pepper and lemon juice and garlic juice. That's all you need. Just three goddamn things, bro. Alright, man, I'm not used to this voiceover shit, man. So, look, once you grab your flour, god damn it, not flour. Once you finish seasoning your fish, grab your freaking flour. It don't matter what kind of flour you just need some flour, okay? Just flour. Go ahead, heat your pan up. Whatever kind of oil you use, you can use bacon oil, you can corn oil, starch oil, burning oil. It don't matter what oil you use. Just use that, heat the shit up. Just heat the goddamn oil up so you goddamn fish, you goddamn fucking fried. Goddamn it. Shit. Alright, so once you're done heating that bad boy up, go ahead and get that fish. I like to set my fish to the side once I put the flour on there. I noticed I've been doing that a lot. But I'll set it to the side for like a minute or two. And then I'll put it in the oil. That's what I noticed I've been doing it a lot lately. So look at that. Look at that goddamn fish frying. Oh, that is, man, your feet though. Mwah. I love fried fish. I absolutely love fried fish. I had got some more fish from the market the other day. I had got some whitening fish. Oh, this is topopia. I know I'm not saying that right, but this is topopia fish. This is some good fish too. Okay, don't get me wrong, but I got some whitening fish that I'm gonna fry in the next couple of days. Oh, that is gonna be the bomb, boy. So what you gonna do is you just want to let this bad boy fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. It don't take long for fish to fry. About 3 minutes on each side, and then bam, that's all you got to do, bro. Just fry the shit up and put it on the napkin, let the oil drain, and shit. There you go. Oh, we got some good old spinach too. Oh, I love spinach. Oh, good spinach. I love spinach. I ain't had spinach in a while. I've been eating the shit out some Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts, bro. Look at that fish. Oh, look at that. Look at that damn fish. That is fried to perfection. Just look at that. Nice golden brown fish, seasoned and fried to perfection. Look at that. Yeah, you got to clean up, man. You guys, look, you can't cook and not clean up at the same time. I hate a dirty stove, bro. I don't know who was recording me. I didn't even know they was there. Look at my face. I didn't even know they was there. But look at that. Oh my goddamn. Oh my God. Look at that goddamn dinner. Look at that. Oh, look at that. But you know you gotta have some butter on your broccoli. Hold up. I thought I was making spinach. What the hell happened? What the hell? I thought I seen spinach. That wasn't no damn broccoli in that pot, was it? I'm tripping now. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Fried to perfection. Oh, we even got a little biscuit on the side. Oh, I outdid myself today. I outdid myself. Yeah, thumbs up. You know it's good. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope everybody had a great day. Love all of y'all. Peace out.